Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to open up the glove box in your Tesla vehicle. And then also, I'm going to show you how to put a pin on it so you can lock it so no one else can access it. So if you go to controls right here, open this up. Just under controls on the top, you have an option for a glove box. All you have to do is tap it on the screen right here. And you can see this will open up. It's kind of dark, but you have the USB in there for all your Sentry clips and your dash cam. You can take that to your computer if you want, but you'll find some other paperwork in there too if you just got this. So you can go on down to safety now. Scroll on down in here, and you should see an option for glove box pin. Go to this and come up with the 4-digit code, 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Now if someone wants to open this up, say you got something in there, they have to type in this pin now. So very easy to do, just 11111. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.